Hi, I'm Angie with National Indoor RV Centers, and today I'm super excited to tell you about a new product that we're introducing into the market that's going to address head-on one of the big problems that we have with front tire blowouts. So today I'm lucky enough to be here in the beautiful country of Australia, the land down under, and I'm going to tell you all about our new product, RettroBand, designed, engineered, and manufactured by Craig International Ballistics. I'm thrilled to introduce Robert Craig. He's the founder of Craig International Ballistics. And even better, he's one of my favorite customers. So I think it was 3 years ago that we met and we were picking up your coach, Robert?
Yes. I picked up a cornerstone and in discussion with your CEO, we were talking about safety devices and in particular run flat devices that were available on the market. And I said to him that I didn't think that any of the ones out there that were available in the US would suit this purpose. And we got talking for a little while, and here we are 3 years later. We're ready to go to the world with RettroBand. RettroBand has been specifically designed for motor coaches on their aluminium wheels, and in fact the weight rating is greater than that of the wheel that the coaches are supplied with. And it's come out of my particular interest here. We manufacture armour here in Australia, probably the largest armour manufacturer in the country. We manufacture body armour, vehicle armour, we do aircraft armour, even some of their vessels. We have good experience in building life-saving equipment. And in the vehicles we build, for 20 odd years we've used different types of run flat devices. So I decided that we'd get going with making a product that could suit the heavy front end weight of a motor coach. So in the event of a catastrophic failure on the freeways in the United States, the owners can continue on till they find someplace safe, pull over and call for help to come and change the tire. That's better than putting their lives at risk by not having any protection in the front wheels.
Little extra insurance policy, and something that's very needed in the industry. We're going to walk around and show you a little bit more about the product, and I'm going to practice my Australian accent because I really love it.
That's it.
Well, I'm back at our facility in Texas. Unfortunately, after practicing my Australian accent so diligently, I'm a little bit hoarse, but I did have a great little mum's weekend in Goldie, as we would say here, the Gold Coast. Here's RettroBand, your spare within your tire. Now this one is mounted on the 365 aluminum Alcoa rim, which is weighted for 10,500 pounds with a max PSI of 130. This particular RettroBand is the polyurethane RettroBand, which weighs about 28 pounds. And we have another product, which is a rubber composite, which weighs about 44 pounds. Now, we really think the weight is insignificant, but we feel like our customers may want the lighter polyurethane RettroBand, which just costs a little bit extra. So you're probably wondering how this works. We have two halves here on the polyurethane product, and they're gonna come together. There's a male and female half, and they come together right here at the top to keep them from slipping. And then we've got a gearbox at the top and at the bottom. And as you tighten those bolts, then it's gonna cinch up nice and snug so that it's totally tight. I'm sure a question that a lot of you are gonna have is, what do I do if I have a TPMS system, a tire pressure monitoring system? So we've thought of that. There's a cutout on each side of the RettroBand where we can put your TPMS system in, whether it came standard with your coach or if you're buying an aftermarket product. Just as a word of caution, just because RettroBand is weighted well above that of the rim, you can't overweight the coach. You can only go to what the rim is rated. If you compromise the rim in any way and it degrades, there's nothing to anchor the RettroBand to. Heretofore, the only product that we had in the RV industry to combat front end blowouts was this band. So this band is specifically designed to keep the tire, when you have a front end blowout, from sucking into the wheel well, which happens instantly, and then it would peel off the tire. Rim hits the pavement and you're pulled off the road. So this band is designed to just keep the tire on the rim. RettroBand has two purposes. One is to keep the tire on the rim. As you can see, we filled the whole wheel well here, plus a portion of the tire area. And then two, it's designed to be driven on so you can get the help that you need. Aluminum rims are not meant to be driven on at all. As you can see, the band here is well below the edge of the rim. With RettroBand, it sits 4.5 inches above the rim. Earlier, I showed you the RettroBand with a gap here because I wanted you to see the male and female parts and how it came together. So now we've pulled it together, nice and snug. You can see that there's no movement, side to side, up and down. I'm sure many of you are wondering how this is going to affect the balance and ride on your tires. It's not going to affect the ride at all because this is designed to ride on if necessary. Balancing, we've been installing these bands for years. We usually have to add 3 to 10 ounces. Yesterday, I saw these installed. On one of them, after it was spin balanced, we needed to add 3 ounces. On the other, we added 8 ounces. So you're not gonna feel that at all. Now that you've seen what RettroBand is and how it works, I'm sure you'd love to see it in action. We're gonna cut to a video. Our own Robert Craig is there. He engineered and designed RettroBand, and he'll be kind of telling you what's happening during the video. Now, the coach that we tested this on is a Gulfstream gas coach, no tag axle, so not as stable. We loaded it with ballast to take the front axle and the total GVW to its limit. We put a charge on the tire to blow it. We were always going 65 miles per hour on straightaways, on curves, and you'll see a piece of the fiberglass on the coach blow off. That's from the charge, not from the tire coming off the rim.
And here it comes now. We've got an explosive strapped onto the side of the left front tyre at 65 miles an hour. Driver's coming towards us now. There's the explosion, and he's driving. Still got full control over it as he drives along. No swerving, no nothing. Absolutely amazing to watch. And here he comes. He's still coming, still going. He's been 6.5 miles. I think we'll tell him to stop now. That's a pretty good effort.
If you're interested in this tested, proven, life-saving product, National Indoor RV Centers has exclusive distribution rights for a period of time. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 469-277-1330, or visit us on our website, nirvc.com.